So this is our new swing set steering kit. This is our prototype kit that's going on Tony's F-150. Basically, this kit replaces the whole front lower control arm cross member. This is all 3/16 chromoly. Yeah, so basically this is the rear side of the truck, this is the front side of the truck. The swinger swing side to side like this. This is your steering box here. So the steering shaft comes in, inputs here. That connects to your sector shaft that goes to this pitman arm, pivot side to side, connected to your drag link, which connects to your steering swinger, which these steering swingers are connected to the steering link, which is also driven and assisted by a ram assist. So there's a few swing set steering kits that are already out there on the market. They're all a little bit different. They're all totally good. Everything's great. We did a couple things different on here. The construction of how the parts go together, I'll take them apart in a second and show you guys how that works. But you'll notice the swingers are super long. The reason we did that is because when the swingers are swinging in this direction, it's having an effect on the acronym of the truck. It's moving the steering link forward and back. So by making them longer, it decreases the amount that it changes. And also we added a little bit of an angle to the swingers themselves. So that counteracts it. So we're actually maintaining like a flat surface throughout the steering and maintaining consistent acronym. Now let me take these all apart and I'll kind of show you how the parts go together. All right, so here we have all the parts laid out. This is where it gets kind of cool. So this is just the raw steel here of the lower cross member. You can kind of see all the details in the pocketing here. And we got some overlays and yeah, it's pretty cool. We got some internal ribs going on and some nice overlay plates on the pivots. And then this is our steering link, super nice construction. Billet 4130 pitman arms. These are super sweet. As you can see how they're keyed in there. We actually have it clocked for our the angle of a steering box. So see how they're not totally straight where the 4 T's are. There's that. The drag link, these are going to be coming in billet as well. We just had that one for mock-up, just get our size exactly right. The box hasn't stopped put in it yet, so that's why it's all ugly and rusty right now. Same with the ram. The swingers, super sweet, nice little pocketing and machining done on those. Of course, there goes the air compressor. But so let me show you how these the snap rings and uniballs work. So we don't run any snap rings, or none of this is running any bushings. You'll notice it's just running double uniballs on every pivot. So we machine these bitchin' little sleeves. They go inside, and then they keep the 2 uniballs tethered apart from each other. And you can see inside the swinger, they're stopped. So everything just perfectly sandwiches right inside the pivots. It's really nice. So these things are not going to have any slop as they get older or wear out. Especially being this long, there's a lot of load on them up and down. So having a double uniball, it pretty much makes it so there won't be any slop at all in these. So yeah, check it out. We'll have these on the market, ready for pre-order here in the next week or two. We're getting all the last details kind of locked in and pricing all sorted out for the Gen 1, 2, and 3. For the Gen 1s, they'll be super simple because they have a power steering pump that bolts right up to the block already. The Gen 2s and 3s are a little bit trickier. We have the Coyotes and the 5.2s kind of sorted out, but the 3.5, we still have a little more sorting to do to get a power steering pump on those motors, but we will keep you guys posted on that.